Pearl cream, also called mother of pearl or concha nácar in Spanish, has been used for many years as a way to help regenerate the skin that suffers from acne, scars, sun damage, wrinkles, dark circles, among many other problems, or used to use it as a skincare routine. The benefits provided by the ingredients in pearl cream make it an extremely popular skincare product. For this facial mask, we're going to use one shell. Next, we will scrape it to obtain the powder. Once we have the necessary amount, we're going to add the juice of half a lemon. Leave it overnight, either in the refrigerator or outside in your deck at night, or at least 8 hours. The humidity is needed so we can take advantage of the pearl properties. If you feel that you need more product, you can add more powder or store whatever you have left in an airtight container. And do the same with the shells, because you can use them as many times until they no longer give you that nácar powder. Once the paste is ready, add some cold water. This treatment can be used freely on the face, armpits, elbows, knees, stretch marks, pretty much all over the body. It is not abrasive and it's indicated for all ages and skin types. Make sure you have cleaned the area where you will apply the treatment. Let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse. This treatment is extremely useful on sun-damaged and sun-tanned skin. Due to its active enzymes, it prevents the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It is excellent for people who suffer from dark circles and dry skin around the eyes. It promotes healthy and glowing skin. It helps to give you a baby soft skin in just a few days. It cleans the oil accumulated in pores and prevents them from clogging. Therefore, it gives you a youthful and glowing skin. Next, proceed to the application of serums and moisturizers. If you do this treatment in the mornings, it is important for you to apply your sunblock or sunscreen protection and repeat the application of sun protection every 3 hours. I recommend to use this cream at night before going to bed, preferably daily if you want to see results within a week. I hope you liked this video, and remember that you can find me on Instagram and Facebook, where I'm always sharing exclusive tips about health, lifestyle, and beauty. See you next time. Bye!